Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make stretch mark remover at home. So these are the ingredients we use for this treatment, and first is orange, and also I have my aloe vera. These aloe vera are from my courtyard, and before you use aloe vera that you have to first of all remove the poison, and you have to just turn it upside down like this and put it inside a bowl of water to allow those yellowish stuff to come out so it won't irritate your skin. So let's get into making this video. So we are just going to bring out the gel from the aloe vera. So this aloe vera, I got it from my balcony, and I've been trying to grow this aloe vera. Like when I bought it, it was green, the skin was green, but when I took it home after some days, it was brownish in color. It wasn't growing at all. So I was even planning of throwing it away or using it to make aloe vera oil or powder. So but I just found out about one easy way to grow aloe vera, and I tried it and it really worked. So I will share it with you guys, and if you want me to make a video of it, I'll also make a video. Just tell me in the comment section below. So I used onion skin, onion peel, and eggshell. I soaked both of them in water for 3 days, and after that I just poured the water on the aloe vera plant. And you know, you don't water aloe vera all every day. You water aloe vera once in a month, or when the soil is dry, then you water it. So that is how I've grown my aloe vera, and look at the gel in it. Is so much. Though the plant is small, but the gel in it is encouraging. So if you have aloe vera plant problem at home, you just try these tips, or if you need me to make a video of it, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to make that video for you. Aloe vera does not wholly heal stretch marks. It also has so many health benefits and skin benefits. So aloe vera also clears sunburn, prevents aging, softens skin, treats dry skin, clear acne. It also has natural healing agents that help treat any skin problems. So yeah, I'm just getting the orange juice that we'll be using for this treatment. So yeah, the orange zest and the aloe vera gel is ready. So what we use next is pure coconut oil. I'll be using 1 cup of coconut oil for this, and just immediately you pour the coconut oil, just pour the aloe vera gel and the orange zest. Give it a little stir, and you leave it until the whole mixture has totally changed color. So it was on the heat for about 20 minutes, and this is how the color looks. So I just allowed it to cool off before straining the oil out. So you can still see some little particles in the oil, so we are just going to filter it again. This time we'll be using a piece of cloth to do the straining. So here is our stretch mark oil ready to be used. So let's move on to the next step, which is the stretch mark scrub. So I'll be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. So you can use white sugar or brown sugar, anyone you prefer is better. So now I'll use my castor oil, and I will also use a little bit of olive oil. So I'll use 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use coconut oil for this, or you can just use olive oil for this. So just use either of the oil, either you use olive oil or coconut oil, but coconut oil is mostly commonly used. Okay, so but olive oil is also great for stretch mark, and castor oil as well is also great for stretch mark. So I just mix them together. So I'll be using orange juice. So if you have lemon juice, you can use lemon juice instead of orange juice. Okay, so I'll be using 2 tablespoons of orange juice. So I will just mix them together, and if yours is light, is watery like this, you just need to add sugar to it so you get that thick consistency. So I will be adding more sugar to it. So roughly total spoon that I use for this scrub should be, so the total amount of the sugar I use for this is 5 tablespoons of sugar. So now we just mix everything together. So if you want yours to be thicker than this, you add sugar. So but I like the consistency like this. So guys, our stretch mark scrub is ready. So the next thing I will do now is transfer it to the little jar that I'll be storing it in. So guys, let's move on to the next one, which is the last one, and this is the egg mask. So for this egg mask, we're just going to use just the egg white. So just going to separate the egg white from the yolk. Okay, so I will just transfer the egg white to a bowl and just whisk it with your spoon until it's turned into a foamy consistency. So this is how it should look. So now I'm just going to add vitamin E capsules. I'm adding 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Just mix it well and transfer it into the little container I'll also be storing it in. So our stretch mark treatments are ready. Well, here we have the oil, the mask, and the scrub. So now we are going to start off with the scrub. So you just scrub the areas that you have the stretch mark. Just take a little bit from the stretch mark scrub that area gently Okay, so after scrubbing it, you just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes before you rinse it out. So after rinsing, this is how it should look. Then you just have to dry it with your towel, and we'll move to the next step. And the next step is using the egg mask. So you just take the egg mask and just rub it on the areas that you have stretch marks. Rub it, really make sure it covers everything. So you just let it dry, maybe 5 to 10 minutes it will dry. And now look at it after it has dried. Then you just go and wash it. So after washing again, dry with your towel and apply the oil. Massage the oil on the area that you have that stretch marks. That is all of the explanation that I have. So the egg mask and the oil is what you should be using daily, like every day. And the scrub, you use it just twice in a week. Okay, don't use the scrub every day, use the scrub twice in a week. And for the egg mask and the oil, you use that daily. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Bye.
Peace I live with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled,